Hi everyone, well I'm so excited to show you my new microphone, the HISONG Air Studio S1. It has wireless in-ear monitors that just connect and they also comes with this pop filter. You can see that sounds quite a bit better. But what's great is for me, there's no latency depending on my connection. USB-C chargeable. Okay, check it out. So this is a magnetic attachment, but I've improvised a little mic holder. This. Ta-da! Now I've made it a handless, hands-free mic. So this is how you would record something. So here we go. I've got True Blue coming up. I've had other guys, I've looked into their eyes, but I never knew love before. I don't know how to get any other effects, third-party effects like auto-tune or anything, so you're just gonna have to sing for real. Okay, this is the app. Right here is the tuning tab, and you can set up your mic input volume, how much of your mic you are monitoring, and how much of your accompaniment you're monitoring, like your YouTube karaoke track or the track you wrote that you're playing. You've got different custom presets here. So this is the first custom I made, my traditional vocals, bright equalizer effects, and you have some presets there, your compressor, your amount of reverb and limiter. And then of course you can make another custom one. You can cycle through those live and you can change them even while you're recording. All of your recordings are stored by time, date, length. You can easily edit the title of them. Device settings here related to your adapters. And then this is where if you want to record your track, you can just do it right from your phone. You don't need to plug into a DAW. You just have to make sure that you are connected via USB-C, which I'm going to plug in right now and you'll see. Here it is. So now I have my vocal track, my backing track. I thought I had to click a button and upload a file. It doesn't work like that. So what you do is you just play your track and it will show up here. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to go into my YouTube folder where I have a lot of saved karaoke tracks. And here we go, I'm just gonna pick one. It's gonna start to play. And here it's monitoring my vocal. Oh, my life is changing. And when I'm done recording, I can see my track. And within this app, I can do whatever adjustments I want to my vocals. I can mute them, I can change the levels, the mix of my track and my vocals, and then I can bounce them out either solo or mixed down together. And there you go, you can have a great recording just from your phone real quick. Just to let you know, it does have the condenser and the dynamic option. Here you have quick control, so you can click this to mute it. This will raise your input mic volume. If you were to hold this down, it would switch through those custom presets we had for those mic settings. And it's a USB-C connection, so we'll plug into any DAW, any device. It comes with the lightning adapter because I have the old iPhone still.